Okay, now this is illustration number 87. Trade receivables turnover ratio is given 4 times. Cost of revenue from operation, that is COGS, given to you 6,40,000. GP 20%. Closing trade receivables were rupees 20,000 more than in the beginning. Cash sales 33 by 1/3% of credit sales. Again you have to find closing TR and opening TR is equal to how much. This is the question given to you. Now again I said you have to focus on two things, that COGS is given 6,40,000, GP is given 20%, and the last cash sales 33 by 1/3% of credit sales. As we have discussed in previous question also, that you have been given three things, but out of this, with the help of which one you will be able to find total sales, that you have to think. So again I said I am having amount of COGS which is 6,40,000. So obviously I am going to start with this, right? But before starting with this, you have to think that GP 20%. Nothing is mentioned in this question that GP is depend on whom. So previously also I said whenever it is not mentioned, GP is always on sales if not given, right? So you have to always take GP 20% on sales when not mentioned कि GP किस पे depend है. So GP 20%, it is always on sales if not given, right? In this question like not mentioned कि 20% किसका है, तो वो sales का ही होगा. But sales not given, but हमारे पास sales नहीं है. So what we will do, we will assume sales as 100 and GP 20%, so 20. As I said, if you are assuming sales as 100, so GP always you have to deduct from sales. And if you will deduct GP from sales, you will always got COGS. Right, as I have shown you in previous formula also, that if you minus GP from sales, you got COGS. Likewise, here also, if you deduct GP from sales, you got COGS as 80, because 100 minus 20 gives you 80. Now, out of this, we are having amount of COGS, which is 6,40,000. So, I can say that 80 is equal to 6,40,000. And I want to find sales, which is 100. So on 100, how much? So if you will solve, you will get your total sales as 8 lakhs. So with the help of cost and GP, we were able to find total sales. Now this total sales we will use in this equation, right? Now second point, cash sales 33 by 1/3% of credit sales. Now you people are thinking that 33 by 1/3 means what? See, I have solved it for you, those who don't know it. 33 by 1/3 is what? This is an improper fraction. So you have to convert it into a proper fraction. So how you will convert? This 2 you have to multiply. 33 into 3, you will get 99. This 1 you have to add in that. So you will get 100. Right? So this becomes 100 upon 3%. Right? Now this is in percentage, so I can write this in this form also, 100 divided by 3, and percentage to again divide by 100, right? And if you will do reciprocal, so 100 upon 3 into this become 1 upon 100. So 100 get cancelled, so it will become 1 upon 3. So in short, this 33 by 1/3 is nothing but it is 1/3 only, right? So you can read it like this also, that cash sales 1/3 of credit sales. Now you have to remove this percentage sign because already we have divided by 100, then only we got the answer 1/3, right? So let us assume credit sales as X, as it becomes now 1/3. Then cash sales becomes 1/3 of credit. So you will get X into 1/3. So you will get X upon 3. So total sales becomes, now cash and credit always you have to add. So you got x plus x upon 3 as a equation. Now similarly, total sales, just now only we have found out 8 lakhs. So can I say that x plus x upon 3 is equal to 8 lakhs? Now you have to solve this equation and then you will get your answer. X is equal to 6 lakhs. And x, we have assumed credit sales as x. So your answer of credit sales becomes 6 lakhs. Right? Now, you have been given trade receivables turnover ratio as 4 times. So let's put this into formula. You are having trade receivable ratio 4 times. You are having credit sales 6 lakhs. So with the help of this, you will be able to get average TR, which is 6 lakhs upon 4. It becomes 1,50,000. Then here it is mentioned that closing TR were 20,000 more than in the beginning. It means closing TR is depend on your opening TR, and this time it is 20,000 more. More means you have to add. So I will take opening TR as x. So closing TR becomes x plus 20 as it is more. Now put this into average TR's formula. Average TR opening plus closing. Opening x and closing x plus 20 divided by 2. And if you will solve this, you will get the answer of x as 1,40,000 and x is your opening TR. This is the answer of opening TR, and similarly closing TR is x plus 20. So put this 1,40,000 in x, you will get the answer of closing TR. So the purpose of solving this two illustration, that is 87 and 85, is just to make you know that you have been given both the information of sales cost and GP, cash plus credit. But since in both the sums you have been given COGS, so in both the question we have started with this, and first time you have seen that GP is on sales. So you got this type of equation, sales 100 minus GP.